JD 26 here, doing tips and hairs and hobbies, and I hope you guys are doing good today, and I'm doing okay myself. I appreciate you coming to my channel and watching my videos. And the colors we used on this model to begin with, before we show you the model, is black, white, a glistening blue, pearl blue, a royal blue, a tan, a dark brown, a yellow orchard, flesh color, red, and we got another black there for the airbrush, and a gold and a silver. So I want to show that before I show you the completed model. These colors, white, pearl, and a red, and a black, with sparkles, a purple, another red, and a white. Okay, the Omega Man is all done, 1971 movie, and this is a reproduction kit from Monsters in Motions. I'll show you the details. All acrylic paint, non-toxic, and we put a sealer on it afterwards, a gloss sealer. And when you mount this kit and you put it together, you want to use green stuff and putty. That was the only thing that really works. He got his head blown off by Charlton Heston. That's the famous actor Charlton Heston. So I hope you like this video, and please rate and subscribe, and give me the thumbs up when you can. That helps me to make more videos, and we'll see you in the next video. Probably a modeling video. I'm going to do an unboxing next once this dries. Thanks for watching.